Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item, which you obviously know what it is. It's a Casio watch, but it's also a Ceptor watch. For anybody who hasn't ever been on my channel, I did review about 2 or 3 Ceptor watches, I think, or was only the G-Shock one that had it. And if you already know what it is about Ceptor, it's a line of radio control watches by Casio. Ceptor watches synchronizes with radio time signals broadcast by various government time services around the world. And there's obviously radio towers in the state. If it's multiband 5 parts of the world, or if it's 6 parts of the world. And of course, it's measured by the atomic clock, and these signals transmit the time measured by atomic clocks. Now, anybody know what atomic clock is? Read this one. Measures by monitoring resonant frequency atoms. It's based on atoms having different energy level, electron states in an atom, or, well, here it is anyway. Let me stop talking for the moment. So yeah, look up atomic clocks here. Accurate to 1 second in millions of years. By synchronizing daily with the signal, the Ceptor watches achieve high accuracy using quartz crystal to keep time in trim. Some radio watches include some Ceptors are solar, supported by rechargeable battery. The watch display may be fully digital or analog digital, one of those. Hybrid Ceptor models support GPS satellite reception of both time and location, in addition to broadcast signals. So yeah, okay, pause that and read it very carefully. You'll just have to look these up. So yeah. Ceptors have been around since forever. And if anybody has one or had one or still have theirs from like, I don't know what to say, like over the course of many years, going back as to the 1980s or late 80s, early 90s, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. And do you know anybody in your family, relatives, friends ever had Ceptor watches? Comments down below as well. Alrighty, it's time for unboxing time, like now. Alrighty, folks, so where is this said product? Anybody? Like, where is it? It's right here. I highly doubt that's the right model. So yeah, the model number, yes. It is a Casio WV-M60-9ACF. And this was released in 2017. Wow. What year that was. Going for products and toys and physical media and other things. And here it is, right in front of you, boys and girls. Right in front of you. Says here, self-adjusting atomic timekeeping. So yeah, here it is, folks. Wisdomness. Just make sure to put this back before I start the music. Receiving indicator, yes. Amazing loom. World time. Multiband 5. Last time we got a signal, I should say. Oh, just today, or I don't know if it is recent. Okay, we'll set the load time. My personal favorite, the timer, but like you saw in the Mudman from 2006, the G9000, and then there is the DW5600. I mean the DW6600 G-Shock watch. 1994. Those are particularly waist Ceptor watches. Except the 6600, let me be clear, that's a 1 hour timer, so I highly doubt it didn't say nothing about wave Ceptor. So yeah, just the 3 things that this watch has in common with the 2 G-Shock watches, except the 66 isn't a wave Ceptor. And then you got stopwatch. Press the adjust button, you got yourself the split. Unsplit it, it's even. Alarm. And you see that? That large border just passed alarm, signal, put them both, and then it's gone. That was world time, so back to that. Okay, let's take this out, shall we? Amazing band. Look at that, folks. Let me just open this band. Nice strap, by the way. Very, very cool indeed. Haven't worn the heck out of this. Casio on top of the buckle. And where is this thing made out of? Oh, it says China right there, but we know it's Japan. Oh well, market uses. Huh. Pause it carefully. Module number 3456. Wave Ceptor, multiband 5, illuminator, world time. WV-M60. Gold letterings. Gold display here. 1, 1, 2, and 3. Gold letterings. White lettering there. Casio world time white lettering and the adjustment and mode buttons. Okie dokie. Digging it so far, folks? Alrighty. Let's adjust a couple things. That's not the right date. My bad, folks. Alrighty, I just adjusted the date, and this is the right date, folks. So, now let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. This is how it looks on the Sparky wrist. A little bit loose. Approximately 7 holes. If I put another 8, it'd be way too tight on my wrist. Or, no, I don't think it's not. Adjusted a little more, sure, but I'm a pretty big dude. I work out. I like to eat sometimes. So yeah, that's how it looks. For the record, that's not the right one. Folks, hold on. The right time. Also, folks, okay, hold on a second. There we go. All right, so this is like eight holes to fit this on my wrist. So tell me, folks, what was your very first watch? And Casio, of course. Like I said sometime before, we're talking about the 90s. I was just a kid, and I didn't even know what was on the wrist of these people's wrists, or what type of watch was that they were wearing. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. And next up, folks, what's next? What's next? Music time, y'all. And it's music time. Let's go. Also, folks, as of last week was 9/11. Very tragic what occurred 24 years ago. And as well as what else? 30 years ago in September 11th of that year in 1995. Anybody, you heard me talked about Jimmy Rice, and that 5 years ago his father had passed away, who was a father of three. The older one is dead, the youngest one was killed in 1995. And the only surviving member is the son, the middle child, Ted. So yeah. So if anybody remember what happened in Redlands, Florida in 1995 on September 11th, does anyone here remember the name Jimmy Rice? Let me know in the comments. So was abducted and sadly murdered by the hands of a man named Juan Carlos Chavez. So yeah, and about September 26th, it would have been Jimmy's 40th birthday this year. But sadly, he was only 2 weeks shy of his 10th birthday when he died. So yeah, he'd be in his 40s. And that year, I classified that as the fall of death. I was starting kindergarten, a friend of mine was a year old, and another friend was turning 2. A friend of mine whose mom was pregnant with him at the time. Some homies and homegirls were starting school in high school. Anybody, of course, starting school. It was a very, very hard time that year in 1995. And if you heard me talk about 1995 in the previous product review videos or watch review videos, remember that, folks. 1995, fun/tragedy year. You can't ever forget. So yeah. So with that, we're going to be playing music from 2017. And it's called Running by an artist named DJ Quads. Enjoy, folks. y'all, is DJ Quads with Running. Released in 2017, folks. What do you think? Plus, folks, if you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the button, the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having an opinion related to the contents, comments down below. Plus, let me know in the comments what was it like in 2017, and anybody recall did they have a good time or a very hard time, whatever is going on. Comments down below, and as well as cool films, toys, and products, anything of a sort. Comments down below as well. And what do you guys think of this Ceptor watch? Anybody still has theirs from the early days or the nowadays editions? Comment down below as well. To those who do have it or had it, past tense. Also, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you all, and especially, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, cats and dogs, kitties and dogs of the world. And plus, I mean, the YouTube posts are out to post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early or afternoon hours, whichever time it is. Keep an eye on the YouTube posts. You'll never know what's going to pop up sooner or later on, any day of the week. Daily and weekly. Check it out, folks. So yeah, anything else out of the ordinary? Oh, that's all, folks. So keep an eye on that, folks. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later. Gotta go.